doing?
I'm hiding under the table.
You're hiding under the table? What'd you find today?
A big motorcycle. I show you a small truck, two part together, and the trailer of that.
Oh yeah?
Let's open this.
Do you want to open it?
Mm-hmm.
You think you got it? Go for it.
Super smash. Ooh. Don't do this at home. Ooh.
Good job. Careful not to cut yourself.
Anyway.
Try right here. Right here. Is it opening?
Don't do that.
Good job.
Good job. That out.
Is that cool?
Throw that away. We see this goes.
Off to playing with it already?
Okay, traffic coming. Oh, there's some traffic coming.
There's traffic coming?
Don't go.
Oh.
And the other one here. There's one car.
You like that motorcycle?
Yeah.
Come show it to me. What type of motorcycle is it?
I don't know.
Let's see. It looks like a Honda CBR. That's kind of cool. Look, it has a kickstand and everything.
Oh yeah.
You can park it.
I want to see it.
Look at that. That's pretty cool.
Okay.
Play with that with all your cars.
He's going to pick up this thing and it's going to race off. I'm just going to go straight. Watch this. He's going to go.
That is cool, dude. Careful you don't break the kickstand. That is pretty cool. You like motorcycles?
Yeah.
You like all your Hot Wheels and your
Yeah.
die-cast cars?
Daddy, let's get more of these big ones.
You want to get more of those to play with?
Yeah, I want to make a collection.
You want to have a collection of motorcycles now?
Yeah. Come on, let's go.
You want to show me the rest of your collection so far, your cars?
Right here.
Pretty cool.
And the more stickers are right down here. And
Got them all stacked in there a little bit.
You're going to need help. And one monster truck this skate.
One monster truck escaped.
Okay. Mr. Airplane,
Oh, the airplane monster truck.
this skate. Be careful with that animal. He's crazy.
Oh, is this one crazy?
Yeah, watch. Watch it.
Oh no.
That's it.
That's pretty cool.
Mm-hmm.
Are these all of your cars, or do you have more?
I have more.
You have more somewhere?
Yeah, these are my big
Oh,
ones.
look at that one. That one's cool. An Iron Man one.
And I have big ones.
Oh, whoa. Got some trucks.
Big ones. And this part of our collection.
You have another collection too? Let's just play with the cars, dude.
I know. Watch this.
Yeah, show the motorcycle. Whoa, I think he crashed.
That's cool.
That's pretty cool.
I'm going to put that tire right here.
Oh, you're going to change the tires now?
Yeah, that's
Why do you need to change the tire?
because this tire got dirty. This one gonna need to go in the back, and this one needs to go right there.
I don't know. They don't work that way, bud. Motorcycle tires, the front is different size than the back.
I mean, no. You know the little fixers? It changed the tires and new tires.
Yeah, in the races that we watch, huh? They'll come in and they'll swap the tires out.
Yeah, like, watch. They go right here and change their tires.
Motorcycles are pretty fast in those races, aren't they? Yeah.
Last time I seen a motorcycle race
Yep.
with this guy in it.
Oh, that guy was in it?
Yeah, it was that.
It's pretty cool. I like your collection. We'll have to play with it one of these days.
Oh!
We'll have to get all the cars out and show them all off.
You want to play with right now?
You can play with your motorcycle right now.
I play with these guys. Here's one of my motorcycles.
Oh, yeah? Oh, yeah, that's another motorcycle, isn't it? It's a little moped.
You know, that's a male one.
A male one. Oh, look at this. Here's a
That's a car.
little dirt bike.
And that's a police motorcycle.
And there's a little motorcycle. These ones are Hot Wheel, though, I think.
They're Hot Wheels. This guy does. Daddy, look at that guy's trying to escape
Oh, is he trying to escape?
the jail.
That is cool. All right, so what do you think? Do you recommend that motorcycle toy?
Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah, let's go more of
Do you
these.
think a lot of people would have fun with those?
Mm-hmm.
You do?
Yeah. What? This one goes underwater too.
Oh, do I play with it some more?
Yeah, and this thing goes underwater.
It can go underwater too. That's a crazy cool motorcycle.
No, it floats. I need to hold on it and no it sink.
Oh, okay. All right. Thanks everyone for watching.
Thanks everyone watching. And subscribe.
Subscribe. Hope to see you next time.
See you next time.
Next time maybe we'll play with our Hot Wheels.
And let's get more of these big ones.
More of the motorcycles too. All right. Thank you everyone. Bye.
Bye.
See the world through Ashton's eyes.